Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm taking you through my poultry farming, and here you can easily be able to see my chicken. You can see both cock and hens together. They're feeding on this enclosed space. Here they are well protected from predators like dogs, cats, as well as hawks and eagles. So here they enjoy freedom, privacy. They are free ranging but in an enclosed place. You can see they're eating from an improvised feeding equipment that helps reduce the risk or chances of wasting food. So you can see how easily they are able to get the vegetable from the improvised equipment. This is a big cock. This is where they usually drink their water. So all the chicken that you're seeing here, they're all indigenous breed that are well known here for quality meat, and they're also resistant to diseases, and that's why most of the guys prefer keeping them. And they also brood on the eggs that at least they've laid at the farm. So here you can see one of the hen that is now brooding, and it has some food around them to make sure that at least it can also maintain weight while brooding, so it can feed on the food provided here. So the area is surrounded with lots of trees that provide shade for the chicken, as well as some insects that the chicken feed on as food. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.